Denslow, New York. In the UK, another grim record, 624 hours. Queen Elizabeth II will address the nation about coronavirus on Sunday. Prime Minister Boris Johnson says he's going to remain in isolation for the moment because of high temperatures brought on by COVID-19. But in Germany, Chancellor Angela Merkel has returned to work after multiple tests showed she is negative for coronavirus. He left the nuclear-powered aircraft carrier for the last time. After leaking a letter in which he pleaded with Navy authorities to help his crew stranded in the Pacific on board the ship as coronavirus coursed through it. There is widespread shock in Washington at Defense Secretary Mark Esper's handling of the situation. From bureaus worldwide, this is FSN. With FSN Spotlight, I'm Simon Marks, taking a look today at the crisis over the price of oil. It took a nosedive within the last couple of weeks due to a spat between emergency meeting of OPEC. President Trump said no plans to tell U.S. producers to cut back their production. And with coronavirus leading to less consumer demand worldwide, the outlook for oil remains at best opaque. The main news again, Spain has now surpassed Italy to become the second worst impacted country by coronavirus after the United States. In the UK, another grim record, 684 deaths in 24 hours. The Queen will address the nation on Sunday. And the Mayor of New York says the city is facing D-Day on Sunday as the number of coronavirus cases spirals upwards there. There's more news from us on Twitter at Feature Story. And that is the latest Feature Story news. Simon Marks reporting. You're listening to IRRS.